Coffee isn't just your morning pick-me-up. For millions of seniors, it could be stealing strength or rebuilding it faster than the priciest supplement. After 60, we lose up to 8% of muscle each decade, increasing the risk of falls, fractures, and early death. Yet when paired with the right natural ingredients, coffee becomes powerful medicine. Hidden studies show these simple additions can slash inflammation, protect arteries, burn belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle, without billion-dollar marketing behind them. So today, discover 3 proven ingredients to stir into your morning coffee. Don't miss number 2. It boosted mobility in seniors by over 40%. Before we dive in, how old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it below. We read every comment. 1. Cinnamon. Known for desserts, cinnamon turns coffee into a muscle-protecting drink. It reduces inflammation, improves circulation, and balances blood sugar, key for preventing muscle energy loss. Amelia, 68, tried it and saw steadier energy, stronger legs, and lower blood sugar within weeks. Use just half a teaspoon of cinnamon for best results. Unlike creamers, it adds no calories or sugar spikes, just steady muscle fuel. 2. Soy milk. Adding soy milk transforms coffee into a muscle-preserving drink. Both provide quality protein and amino acids like leucine, vital for muscle repair. John, 72, noticed stronger arms and improved bone density after switching from black coffee to soy milk. Even half a cup adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, a simple daily muscle saver. 3. Cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa is rich in flavonols that enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and aid recovery. Evelyn, 72, added a spoon to her coffee and soon felt lighter, stronger, and noticed better blood pressure. Cocoa improves vessel function, helping muscles receive oxygen and nutrients. Just 1 teaspoon delivers rich flavor and circulation support, turning coffee into a strength elixir. If you're serious about building strong, healthy muscle at your age, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these.